Today we have a different flock of wild birds. It's the wild turkeys. The chickens haven't been out in a couple of days due to the snow and the ice, so we haven't seen them, but now it's a return of the turkeys. Garrett Manor Wildlife Sanctuary continues to thrive. The funny thing is I heard some noise. I looked up and I was like, whoa, there are the turkeys. Happy Thanksgiving. And I'm taking this picture, this video through the window screen. Got really, there we go, that's better. There's one over there somewhere. It's on the side of the storage house. Wait until we have the roost added. Where are you? You're hiding on the side. The others are down in that nook. I don't know, but I know also like hiding down in there. Like there's this area behind these berry bushes that's down below. It's like a little valley, a little gully. I'm not sure what to call it. Oh, there you are. Oh no, don't be lost. For some reason this one's separated out. And oh, there are the other ones coming through. Wait, clear this picture up. And the cars usually stop or slow down for them. See? The car is stopping because it sees there's a bunch of them. And they're big, so if you collide with these birds, that's probably like 8 to 10 pounds of craziness going on. I think that's all of them. Well, wasn't that something different for today? Well, thank you for tuning in to the Garrett Manor Wildlife Channel. Okay, that's not the name of the channel. It's, you know, any day, any time for us. But please remember to subscribe to the channel. We'd appreciate it. Thank you. Leave a comment below if you have wild turkeys that come through your land. Usually we have a flock of about, I would say 30 to 40, and they're usually all different ages and sizes. These all seem to be probably 2 generations of birds versus the 3 to 4 generations that we get, and especially in the spring or sometime in the summer, you'll get like the little tiny baby ones that like are still really fluffy. Obviously, you can see there's snow out there, so we didn't get those. And I will go out later to see if they left any feathers, because sometimes they do, and that is so cool. Thank you. Bye-bye.